Hey, my name's Dr. Ammitai Worob, and I want to welcome you to the Veterans 10X YouTube channel, the only YouTube channel dedicated to helping chiropractors stay up to date with and keep on top of everything necessary to work with veterans, especially through the VA system. Now, I know the content on this channel is exactly what's needed because I created the most comprehensive step-by-step course just for chiropractors who want to work with veterans but haven't figured out quite how to do it successfully in their own practices. Now, all the stuff here is stuff that I had to learn and incorporate in my own practice to be able to help veterans in my own community. And I'll keep you up to date with everything that's going on in the VA that's going to affect you. If you're a chiropractor that wants to help more veterans, see more patients, generate more revenue, then you're in the right place. Now, working with the VA can be challenging. Keeping up with everything can be like a full-time job, which is why I created this channel. Now, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get updates so that every time I create a new video and a new update, you'll get a notification for that. I promise you, you won't find any easier way to stay on top of it all, so go ahead and subscribe, click that bell, and I will do the rest. Chiropractic care is urgently needed by veterans in your community, and it's a service that they deserve. You can help them, and I can help you help more veterans and grow your practice.